Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, this Crypto Dad. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscription button and also turn off the notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop any video. So guys, in today's video, I will show you how to transfer cryptocurrency from your Trust wallet to the Roqqu app and how you can instantly sell on the Roqqu app. So guys, in celebration of my 3K subscribers on my channel, I'll be giving away 200 TRX to my subscribers. I'll be giving away 200 TRX to my subscribers. I recently clocked 3K subscribers. Thank you guys for this. In celebration of this, I'll be giving away 200 TRX to my subscribers. I'll be doing a video now to claim the giveaway. And if this is your first time of watching my video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, you just need to click on the subscription button beneath this video. You have to click on the subscription button and you also need to turn on the notification icon so you'll be getting notification from all the video I upload. I make videos on airdrop, cryptocurrency and earning apps. You just need to subscribe to this channel so you'll be getting latest updates on airdrops, cryptocurrency and earning apps. I'll be going back to the video. I'll be showing us how to send cryptocurrency from your Trust wallet to your Roqqu app and how you can instantly sell on the Roqqu app. I'll be making a transfer of BUSD. I want to send the total amount I'm having to my Roqqu account and I want to make a sell. I'll just be going over to Roqqu. Before I go over to Roqqu, the first thing you need to do is you have to get the Roqqu address you want to send to, and also on the Roqqu app, some coins have the minimum receivable amount. You have to go over to Roqqu to check the minimum receivable amount. I'll just be doing that right now. I'll be going over to Roqqu app. This is my Roqqu account and I'm having a balance of this. I'll be making a deposit right now. I want to make a deposit of cryptocurrency into my Roqqu account, and after the cryptocurrency I've got into my Roqqu account, I'll be making an instant sale, which I'll be making a withdrawal into my bank account. I'll be doing that right now. The first thing you need to do is you have to go over to the cryptocurrency you want to make a deposit of. I want to make a deposit of BUSD. I'll just click on BUSD. I'll be going over to the receive area. I'll just click on this receive. I'll be seeing my address here. This is a BEP20 address. I'll just copy this address and you'll be seeing the minimum receivable amount here. The minimum receivable amount on the Roqqu app for the BUSD is 5 BUSD, and you also be seeing this is a BEP20 address. If you send any other token to this address, it may lead to the permanent loss. So I will advise us to be careful when making a transaction on the Roqqu app. You just need to copy the address. Then you have to take note of the minimum receivable amount. I'll just be going back, and for you to check the current price of BUSD, this is the current price of BUSD in Nigeria currency. I'll just be clicking on this receive. I'll copy my address. I'll be going over to Trust wallet to make a transfer. I'll click on this send button. I'll paste in the address. I'll just click on this paste address. The minimum receivable amount is 5 BUSD. I'll just click on this marks, then I'll click on this continue button. I need to click on the confirm button. I'll just click on confirm. My transfer of BUSD has been completed. I'll be going over to my Roqqu account to confirm. My deposit has been completed. I'll just be refreshing the app right now. My deposit of 7.2 BUSD has been completed. I can just go ahead to make a sell. If you want to make a sell, you just need to click on the coin you want to sell. Then you need to click on this sell button. I'll just click on this sell button. You have to enter the amount you want to sell. You can change this from Naira to BUSD. Then you can just enter the total amount of the particular token you're having. You just be clicking on this proceed with save. I'll be receiving this particular amount. I'll be charged this as network fee. I just need to accept. I'll click on accept. The sale is successful. I just sold 7.2 BUSD. I just click on this continue button. It has been added to my balance. I'm having this particular balance right now. And for me to make withdrawal into my bank account, I just need to come over to the withdraw. Then you'll be seeing different withdrawal options here. You see withdraw to wallet, withdraw to bank account, and you can also use to buy airtime or anyone you want. The best option I always use here is the wallet. I'll just click on this withdraw to wallet. Because the withdraw to bank account is very slow, I will not be using this option. I'll just be using the wallet option. I'll click on the wallet. Then I'll be making use of the Raven wallet for the withdrawal. I prefer Raven wallet to other wallets. I'll just be making use of the Roqqu wallet. I'll be entering my username on my Roqqu account, and I'll also be entering the amount I want to withdraw. Let's say I want to make a withdrawal of the total amount. I just need to enter my username, then I need to verify the details. I'll just be doing that right now. I've entered my username, I've entered the amount. I'll just click on this verify details. My details has been verified. I'll just click on this match pair. I'll be credited by this particular person. I just need to click on this complete withdrawal, and you'll be seeing here that the payout time takes about 5 minutes. It will not be up to this 5 minutes. I'll just click on this complete withdrawal. I'll need to enter my PIN, and after that I'll just click on this complete. I'll be doing that right now. I've entered my PIN. I'll just click on this complete. The withdrawal is successful. I'll just click on this continue button. Then I'll be going on to my Roqqu wallet to confirm. My deposit into the Roqqu account has been completed. I'll just be closing this page right now. If you've not registered the Roqqu app, I'll be dropping the link in this video description, so you just need to make use of the link to register. When you refer a friend also, you'll be getting compensated. You can get from 500 and above. If you want a video on how to create and use the Roqqu account, you just need to comment under the comment section below. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day guys.